an energetic process to help you open those channels for letting go. Also, too, if you felt stuck, you have a hard time letting go, this is going to be a really powerful process for you. Taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line, relaxing the body. And we invite you, soul rider, at the level of your higher self, your body to his higher self in teams, to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference your etheric forms. You, soul rider, have an etheric form. Your body has an etheric form. Each one of your team members have an etheric form. And as you energetically reference your etheric form, use your higher self, your energetic field, soul rider, body, and teams to reference your channels in your etheric form for letting go. All of the grids in your etheric form that are designed for the release. And then inviting your higher self, body to his higher self teams, again, working with the energetic fields. Begin cleaning all of your channels for letting go. And you might just be in a silent or an out loud mantra, cleaning all of my channels for letting go. Cleaning all of our channels for letting go. So, rider, you're cleaning your channels. Body, you're cleaning your channels. Teams, you're cleaning your channels for letting go. We are cleaning before we even begin to repair. Using appropriate sounds, color, light, frequencies, vibrational, energetic aromas. Cleaning all of the channels for letting go within the etheric form. Soul Rider is cleaning its channels. Soul Rider, you are not cleaning Body Deva's channels. Body, you are cleaning your own channels. Teams, you are cleaning your own channels, not each other's, not the soul, not the body, your own. Everyone gets to clean their own channels. There we go. And as you clean your channels for letting go, sit in that for as long as it feels appropriate, and then begin repairing all of your channels for letting go that are in the etheric form. Repairing all the channels for letting go. Repairing all the crystalline structures within and around all the channels for letting go. Within the etheric form, soul rider, body, and teams. Bringing in appropriate sounds, colors, light that helps the repair, the opening, the restructuring. Like reconstituting your channels for letting go. Recognizing that that is flow. The receiving and the letting go. And it's really interesting when we begin to repair our channels for letting go, it starts to create more flow. We start to receive more. If our channels are closed for letting go, we will not receive. We're already energetically constipated if our channels have been closed for a really long time, for whatever reason. And so this is just a gentle practice of repairing, first cleaning and then repairing, strengthening, balancing, stabilizing your etheric channels for letting go. You can do the same process with your channels for receiving, and it's just that mantra of cleaning all of the channels for receiving and then repairing all of the channels for receiving, restructuring, strengthening, protecting. And then sometimes we're wary of being open to receive because of pain in the past. And so then you can calibrate your channels for receiving to receive first from the light of your essence, from your spark. So now The only thing you're actually open to receiving is the light of your spark. And then as you receive your essence, the light of your spark, same for your body and teams, then you are able to receive the experience of the essence of a situation, the essence of another, the divinely connected part of all that is. And then we are more protected in our receiving experience because we've calibrated our receptors appropriately. So keep holding space for that continuation of the cleaning, the repair, the recalibration, the restructuring of your channels for letting go and for receiving.